Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. Oh, I'm talking?
Oh, I don't know. All right. So, how you doing?
How to put your spacers in your front wheel. So like, say you get your bike delivered in a crate, most of them need the front tire on it.
And people have been putting the front tire on and wondering why it's all locked up and won't roll. So this is why. You got your wheel spacers, set them on your bench. If they're both the same size, ignore this video and carry on. But one's larger than the other, and you don't know which side it is, put them in. And then look right at the top of the tire. If you can get up here and see that. See, those are exactly the same. If you're not sure, switch them around.
Switch it around, see what it looks
and
like.
it's quite evident when you switch them around that this one's sticking out a whole lot further. So now you know they got to stick out the same on both sides.
Right, same from the bearing or the seal.
So you look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I had them in the right way.
But don't do two peaks.
Yeah, so so that's, if you look at the top now. So anyway.
Right, so they come out the same distance from the bearing, right? From the seal. That's what you're talking about?
No, just you have to look at the top of the tire.
Oh, okay. See, that's why I'm here to like help.
So
from the top of the
so
tire.
we'll do it again. So that's right. If you switch them the other way.
Bird's eye view.
So you see that one sticks out a whole lot further than this one.
From the tire.
From the tire itself.
Alrighty.
So you want them both sticking out the same distance from the tire, and your wheel will roll.
Thank you for watching.